Awangwarisha Malome. At this rate, I don't know if I should take you to the hospital or straight to the musha.
Go for the pussy more before the start tomorrow.
Hello?
Yemuna, I need you to come here as soon as yesterday. Malumi don't squatter to kick in the bucket.
My man, I know exactly what the problem is. The air around us is contaminated with sulfur dioxide, and Madon is one of the many suffering from its toxic effects.
Sulfur
dioxide. It is a toxic gas released as a byproduct from power stations.
My man, just come here and explain. Yeah?
You see, the SO2 minimum emission standards in South Africa are very weak. What's even worse is that Minister Barbara Chrissy has taken a decision to further cripple the standards. I
think it means that companies like Eskom and Sasol will now be allowed to release double the amount of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere.
Correct. And as a result, this may cause over 3,000 premature deaths per year in the country. Death? Let's go and confront her right now.
Yikes!
Sure.
What is this?
Well, Minister, we know about your sulfur dioxide shenanigans. You thought we wouldn't notice?
It is your job to ensure that polluters like Eskom comply with the minimum emission standards, not to sit there mining konkodis.
I'm sure Lorenka Katela the Onyonika Mumatonga, Okasel Lorolla. Elorana Mama.
Executive Yawapadin Konkod. That's who she is.
You can't play Piki Piki Mabalani with our lives.
What made you think this was a great idea? Eh?
It's like woman had the idea Checharagam Kotingwa toilet.
Hey, it's the liver for me. The audacity. Lady Bumps Chagadi, there are better decisions. This new amendment came into effect on the 1st of April. Is this some kind of a delayed April's Fool's joke? Unless the joke is our lives here.
But I...
The required responses and they are as dry as dust.
I am sorry, but you are making a big deal out of nothing. This decision will make the nation a lot of money.
Not a big deal. The theory.
You see, the lives of South Africans are more important than making a quick buck. Fix this mess. Wanetwamos.